What is up everyone, welcome back to the vlog, and today we're going to be working on a different car. I've been working on the Fortuner for the past few videos and I think it's about time that we give this car some love too. So today we're going to be installing fog lights for my Hyundai Santa Fe. But before we begin, I just want to say thank you so much to AUXITO for giving me this opportunity to review one of their products. So if you haven't heard of AUXITO, AUXITO is a leading auto LED lighting brand that aims to make the pursuit of safety and driving experience of car owners more than ideal. So AUXITO not only specializes in headlights and fog lights, they also do brake lights, interior lights, side markers, and all of the lighting that you can think of in a car. So if you want to check them out, head to the link in the description below. And if you're not sure about what bulbs your car is using, don't worry, their website has a bulb finder where you can put in your car's year, make, and model, and it'll give you the results that you need to find the right bulb for your car. And if something catches your attention, don't forget to use my discount code Jericho15 for 15% off of your order. Now, let's get to the unboxing. So here's the product that they sent to me. Thank you so much AUXITO for sending this out. So let's rip this open. And here it is, guys. So these are AUXITO LED fog lights for the Hyundai Santa Fe. So the box is pretty small. Now, let me open this. And it comes in a, like this anti-static bag. I think you can see the bulbs there. Let me just open this up and take it out. Here it is. So, first impressions, it's very solid. It's very solidly built. The dimensions are pretty similar to the stock halogen bulb, which I will be showing you in a few moments. So, it's also fanless. If you remember my previous video on the Fortuner's fog light, you can check it out here. I prefer fanless bulbs for fog lights, and this one looks good as well. So these bulbs are AUXITO 881 bulbs. They use the 881 bulb socket. 881 is also known as H27. Hyundai uses 881 sockets standard for their cars. The brightness, according to the description, is 2800 lumens per set. And the color is 6000K xenon white. So these are super white LED lights. You can use these for fog lights, and I think some cars use these bulbs for their daytime running lights as well. It's IP65 waterproof rated, and it fits 886, 889, 894, 896, and 898 sockets. So these come in a set of 2, and you can get them on the AUXITO website. Just head to the link in the description. So here's our stock bulb. This is a stock 881 bulb, and here's our AUXITO LED bulb. The AUXITO bulb is around the same size as the stock bulb, and if you look at the filament on the stock bulb and the chip on the AUXITO bulb, they're more or less the same size as well. So the light pattern from the AUXITO bulb should be very similar to the stock bulb, which you'll see later on. So for now, let's put the AUXITO bulb on and see what it looks like inside the housing. So to get to our fog lights, we just have to remove the front half of our fender liner. And there are 4 plastic screws that we need to remove. So this one here, the other one is up here, the other one's up there. And then the remaining 2 are here at the bottom, here. And another one here. So this one, and the other 2 up there. There's one screw I forgot about, and that's this one. You gotta remove this one too. So I managed to fold the front half of the fender liner, and you can see the bulb in there. So all we gotta do is pull out these connectors. Once that's out, just turn the bulb to the left, and it should come right off. So here it is, here's our stock bulb, and you want to make sure not to hold it by the glass. So here's our AUXITO bulb. So putting the new bulb in is the same as pulling the old one out. So you just put the bulb in, turn it to the right, until it snaps into place and plug this little wire back in. There. If you do this right, you should hear it click into place like it did just now. So here's our white AUXITO bulb. And here's our stock halogen. You get to compare both. Our LED on the left and our stock on the right. Let's put our fender liner back on and then we'll get to the other side. On the other side, the location of the screws for the fender liner is the same, but you have your wiper wash tank getting in the way. So you're gonna have to go under to reach the bulb. I don't know if the camera can see it, but it's in there. You just have to be flexible with your hands. So here are our LED fog lights, complete 1 and 2. These are so much better than the stock fog lights, even at like 3 in the afternoon on a cloudy day. Let's see what these look like at night, but so far I'm satisfied. Thank you so much, AUXITO. So this is what we're working with. Here are our stock fog lights. There. As you can see, they light up at least 20 feet away. That camera over there is approximately 20 feet away from the car. They light up a little bit further than 20 feet. So here's what our stock fog lights look like from the inside. With the headlights, full beam. If I turn off the fog lights, this is what it looks like. Here are the AUXITO LED fog lights in the same location, and they go far beyond the 20 feet that the stock fog lights reached. They actually go like all the way to the green gate back there. Let's turn them on again. There. So as you can see, they're really bright. From the inside, this is what they look like. And then coupled with my headlights, low beam and high beam, they produce a very powerful beam. So if we turn off our fog lights, you can see that it makes a difference. We turn them on, you see that the sides here blend in a lot more cleanly than the original fog lights. So yeah, that's what it looks like at night. So to sum things up, these AUXITO LED fog lights are a very good replacement for the stock fog lights. The beam pattern is very similar to the stock fog lights, so you're not gonna have to worry about blinding other people when you drive with your fog lights on. It looks just like daytime running lights on any other modern car. And since these are white, they're gonna give your car a more modern, a more premium touch. It's gonna look like your car has daytime running lights, and I think that's a big bonus for these bulbs. If you're driving in thick fog and in the rain at night, I would also recommend yellow fog lights, which you can also find on AUXITO's website. All in all, I think these fog lights are a very good replacement. They're a very good upgrade from the stock fog lights, and I would recommend this to you guys. And if you want to get your own set, you can do so at AUXITO's website. Just head to the link down in the description, and don't forget to use my discount code Jericho15 for 15% off on your purchase. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If there's something you want me to improve on, my vlog style or whatever, I'm still kind of new to this whole YouTube thing. So if there's something that you guys want me to improve on, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.